The human heart is one of the most important and fascinating organs in the body. It works continuously every second of our lives without ever taking a break. The heart is located in the chest slightly toward the left side of the body. It is protected by the rib cage and sits between the lungs. Although it is only about the size of a human fist, it performs an enormous amount of work every day. An average heart beats nearly 100,000 times a day and pumps thousands of liters of blood throughout the body. This continuous pumping keeps oxygen flowing to the brain, muscles, and organs while also removing waste products like carbon dioxide. The heart is made mainly of strong muscular tissue called cardiac muscle. Unlike other muscles in the body, the cardiac muscle works automatically without needing conscious control. The heart has 4 chambers that work together in a coordinated way. The upper 2 chambers are called the right atrium and left atrium, while the lower 2 chambers are called the right ventricle and left ventricle. Blood that has already delivered oxygen to the body becomes low in oxygen and returns to the heart through large veins. This oxygen-poor blood enters the right atrium first. Then it passes through a valve called the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle then pumps this blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery. In the lungs, the blood releases carbon dioxide, which leaves the body when we exhale. At the same time, the blood absorbs fresh oxygen from the air we breathe in. This process is called oxygenation. After becoming rich in oxygen, the blood travels back to the heart and enters the left atrium. From there, it passes through another valve called the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber of the heart because it has the important job of pumping oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. When the left ventricle contracts, blood is pushed into the aorta, which is the largest artery in the body. The aorta then distributes blood through smaller arteries and blood vessels to every part of the body. One of the most amazing things about the heart is its electrical conduction system. The heartbeat starts with electrical signals generated by a small group of cells called the sinoatrial node, or SA node. This node is often called the natural pacemaker of the heart. It sends electrical impulses that spread through the heart muscles and cause them to contract in a synchronized way. The heart contains 4 major valves that ensure blood flows in only one direction. These valves are the tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, and aortic valve. When a person exercises or runs, muscles require more oxygen and energy. To meet this demand, the heart beats faster and pumps more blood. During rest or sleep, the heart slows down because the body needs less oxygen. Fear, excitement, stress, and happiness can all change the speed and strength of heartbeats because the brain and nervous system communicate closely with the heart. The heart works together with blood vessels to form the circulatory system. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, while veins bring blood back to the heart. Tiny blood vessels called capillaries connect arteries and veins. Inside the capillaries, oxygen and nutrients move from the blood into body tissues, and waste products move back into the blood. Keeping the heart healthy is extremely important. Unhealthy habits such as smoking, poor diet, lack of exercise, excessive stress, and obesity can damage the heart and blood vessels over time. Fatty substances called plaque can build up inside arteries and reduce blood flow. This condition is known as atherosclerosis. If blood flow to the heart becomes blocked, it can cause a heart attack. During a heart attack, part of the heart muscle does not receive enough oxygen and may become damaged. Doctors use many technologies to monitor heart health. Electrocardiograms, also called ECGs, record the electrical activity of the heart. In severe cases, doctors may use surgeries, stents, pacemakers, or even heart transplants to save patients' lives. Pacemakers help regulate abnormal heart rhythms and allow the heart to beat properly again. A heart transplant is one of the most advanced medical procedures where one healthy heart can save another human life. In many cultures, the heart is also considered a symbol of love, courage, and emotion. During moments of fear, excitement, sadness, or love, people can physically feel changes in their heartbeat. The human heart is truly a miracle of biology. It silently works every second to keep us alive, carrying oxygen, nutrients, energy, and life itself through the body. Every beat of the heart is a reminder of the incredible system operating inside us. A system so powerful and precise that it sustains human life from beginning to end.